Okay, what's up everybody? So, this is going to be a fun little video. It's going to be kind of a two-part video, or multi-part. What we're going to do is we are going to, as my son comes in, we are going to, well, here, backstory. I've showed a couple of my videos of all my games as far as the layout that I've done. I changed it up where it was like 6 in the middle and that was kind of off to the side. Then I went back to 4 and I just kind of got rid of a couple extras that I had. But unfortunately I've about ran out of room. And I've been getting really into these little party caves as well too. So what we're going to do is, and I said it before, but we're going to do it now. We're going to convert this room. This has been kind of a weight room slash storage slash we're just going to put whatever crap inside here. And obviously it's kind of went a little crazy with crap. So, yep, it's time. The only thing that I can't really take out, well, obviously that's going to stay in here. Probably going to convert that. I've never modded a machine, but I think I might make that into like an NES machine. We'll see. Only thing that's really going to stay is going to be all of this stuff, because that's for the outside screen for our little movie nights and everything else that we have. So that's the only thing that's going to stay. Yes, I've got garbage everywhere. I don't care. And my poor little barbecue is dirty as hell. But yeah, so that's what we're going to do. First things first, I need to clear everything out of this room, get it all gone, so that way we can kind of start fresh. So that way it'll be a blank canvas. I already took this off. This is what is behind the paneling. This used to be a patio. And then the person before me converted this into a little mud room, extra room, blah, 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 storage room, whatever the hell you want to call it. So I started peeling off the siding that was over on that side when I converted that room over. So obviously it's the finest 1960s yellow stucco blah 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 that's on there. So we'll have to figure out something with that. But like I said, first and foremost, we got to get everything out of here, including that. We'll move that over to the other room for time being. But what I'll do is I'll get all this taken care of, taking it out, and then once it's out, then we'll start part 2 of it. Because yeah, it's that one's full. Oh, and it's full because obviously there's more machines, but I've also ordered. There's my baby. 2 more of the little party caves that are over there. Oh, T2's here. Plus I've got, oh, come on wifey, don't hide. Plus I've also got that one over there as well too. So obviously there's no more room. There's an evil mad baby. Yep. So thus I need more room. And unfortunately I need even more room over here. I'm gonna have to push the wagon out. Already aired this up, so I can actually move it around. Thank God. Gotta love airbags. Yep, perfect. We're good. I've got a small little leak. Yes, I know the motor's filthy, horrible. But yep, gotta push that out so then I can move this crap over into here, and then I can organize it and kind of go from there. But yep, I'll be back.